Welcome to Edith's Magical World. Alright, what are we going to do today, Edith? We're going to do a science experiment. A colorful science experiment. Here you go, Edith. Yeah, we're going to do it with candy. Alright. Sit down, Edith. Ooh. We got Skittles today. We're going to do a science experiment. Are you excited? Alright, Edith. So we got everything for our science experiment here. We got the candy. We got y'all dressed up. Gotta have our protective equipment. Alright, Edith, you ready? Alright, we're ready to go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our candy. Okay, we're gonna pour it on our plate. Okay, and now we're gonna put it around the edge here. Okay?
Where was you?
Yeah, come on, put it around the edge. Like this. Okay, spread it around. Put it on the sides. Okay, so we get the stuff in the center. And put it back in our cup. In the center. Good job, Edith. Okay, move this around. Hold it. All right, good job. All right, Edith, we're all good to go. So next up, we're gonna get the water. Okay? And then we're gonna pour it in this cup. Just like that. And we're gonna pour it on the plate. Okay? So let's do that to yours. Okay. Here you go. Pour it on the center. Good job, Edith. Alright. And now we wait. So don't be afraid to eat the candy that's left over. Ooh, it's beginning. Look at that. Yep, yours is getting there too. Ooh, it's so colorful. Look, we got the purple. We got some yellow ones in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those blue ones. Yeah, it's going around in a circle. Look at that. That is cool. Yeah, look, it's mixing in. Yours looks a lot better than mine. Yeah. Yeah, it's going down. Look, the color from the Skittles is touching the water, and then from the water, it's draining off the color. We got blue. What other colors we got in there? Ooh, we got white in the middle. Look at that. We got red. Yeah, look at that. Alright. It looks like it's all finished, Edith. We see no more white in the center. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah. All mixing together. Oh no. No, it's moving. Good. All right. Thank you for joining us today on Edith's Magical World.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe.